Hello everybody and welcome to Free Energy Addict. So I'm currently making this vacuum cleaner into using my lithium ion batteries, which are harvested from dead laptop batteries. But I've come across a little warning that I might want to explain to you guys. So I've bought these battery holders from eBay, probably buyable from AliExpress, etc. So I just wanted to show you a little warning. I've cut up this holder. I've just cut out these plastic parts, being able to have the battery easier in and out. So placing the batteries in there become an easier thing, but if you have a better close-up look at this, see if I can show you. As you can see, I have to push the battery up, and even though I've pushed it up, it doesn't complete the connection in the positive terminal. And I actually found the problem was this little guy there. As you can see, if I get the camera to focus, it's sticking a little out. From the positive terminal here, and as you guys know, lithium ion cells, the positive side and the negative side are fairly close to each other. So this is a warning for you guys, because I have come across that it sparked a lot, because this little thing here torn up the side of the battery and making the negative side connect to the positive terminal. So that's a no-go. Try not buying these guys, because they're no good. I'm surely not gonna use them in any of my appliances. That was a little warning. As you can see here, got a little mess with all the batteries, testing, charging, discharging. Yeah, so, and keep subscribing and follow. Goodbye.